Newton's laws of motion will be our topic of discussion today. So first things first, the objectives of this topic. The first objective would be to state Newton's laws of motion, and so that's what I'll do right away. They should be three. The first law states that a body remains in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the resultant external force acting on the body and takes place in the direction of the force. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So we've stated the three Newton's laws of motion covered under the secondary level of this subject, that is physics. The other objectives would be to describe simple experiments to illustrate inertia, state the laws of conservation of linear momentum, define elastic collision, inelastic collision, and impulse, derive the equation, you can see it on the screen, describe the applications of frictional force, define viscosity, explain terminal velocity, solve numerical problems involving Newton's law and the law of conservation of linear momentum. This will do in our next class, so make sure you subscribe and see you in that class.